So cooks, my Easter tablescape is coming up. And you know, since I'm stuck in the house, I had to order most stuff online. So I wanted to show you some of it. I got 2 boxes of some really cute Easter decor for our table this year. And I'm ready to get these babies out of the box. They are absolutely adorable. So I'm excited to see them in person. So join me. Let's do a little haul of some spring Easter decor. There has been so much cute spring decor coming out, and I haven't been able to get out there and get to my normal like Michael's and Kirkland's and Home Goods. I have not been to any of those stores. So I'm sort of ordering stuff from afar on the internet. So these look adorable. They were really popular and I was lucky to get my hands on them. So we're going to see what I managed to get. This first piece, this is from Temp-tations. They had tons of spring stuff this year. It was just flying out of there. And some of these I just had to get because they're sort of like, you know, those unique, not collectible, but, you know, sought after pieces that they sold out really fast and because they're adorable. So this is a little Easter truck. This is Temp-tations Egg Hunt. And look at that. And it has 2 little baby Easter bunnies that go in the back of the truck. I think they're salt and pepper shakers. Oh my gosh, this is absolutely adorable. Look at that. It's a little Easter truck. It has, too bad it didn't light up. I wonder if I can put some little lights on it. So we have the front of the truck. We have the little wheels here. We got the egg painting. We got an egg on the back. This is so, so cute. I love it. And it comes with 2 little Easter bunnies that go into the back of the truck. These are salt and pepper shakers. So they're just going to sit back here. Oh my gosh. This is so cute. So we have our little salt and pepper shaker Easter bunnies that go in the back. Oh my gosh, look at that. That is so cute. So this is going on our Easter table. That's our salt and pepper shakers. So what do we have in here? In my little bag of tricks. Seems like I've been shopping a lot lately and it's just been like without leaving the house. Okay, so this is going to be our tablecloth for this year. This is from LTD Commodities, and I believe this is 106 is the length on it. So it says, "Bless this home." Oh my gosh, it's so cute. And it has a little bit of buffalo check down here at the bottom. And it says, "Bless this home and live simply." So here is the pattern. This is adorable. Bless this home with some buffalo check. So it has a sort of a springy kind of feel. You could actually use this all summer. So I'm looking forward to using that as our tablecloth. Okay, next up. These other items are from Temp-tations as well. All Egg Hunt. This, I'm not sure what this is. Oh, this might be the train. This is a bunny train. From the pictures people are showing on the internet, because people are getting these, they're arriving at their house, this little set is absolutely adorable. Oh my God, I already love it. So it comes with 3 spreaders. Technically this is like a dip set, but it's a train. So we have sort of a chick on an egg. Here we have another chick on an egg. And a third chick on an egg. So there's 3 cars to this train set. So let's see what we have here. Here's the main rabbit, bunny rabbit. Ooh. So this is the engine. So we have a rabbit with the little, this is one, you can put like a relish in there or something like that. So that's the beginning. And then we have dip bowl number 2. And that is part of car number 2. So here's the little card to it. The dip bowl goes on here. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. And we have car number 3 with dip bowl number 3. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Look at this, Boo. So we have a bunny train. Those are so cute. See, these are the little cars. You can put a dip in there. And then you have your little dip things, pink, blue, and yellow. Oh, this is so cute. Oh my gosh. Bunny train. So these last 2 items are the same. These are bunny bakers. You can make cake in them, or you can just use them as a baker. Eric's looking like he's rolling his eyes over there. When I said bunny baker, he rolled his eyes. Hey, he goes crazy over Christmas stuff. I can't get this out of the box. Bunny baker. It's a little smaller than I thought it was. Oh, it's adorable though. It's a cake plate in the shape of a bunny. Little eggs on the side. This is adorable.
So you're not supposed to feed your rabbit out of as a food?
You could use it as a dog food dish during Easter. I think for Easter I'll make a little bunny cake. I could do a little casserole in these, yes. Oh, little bunny. These are so cute. Look at these. They're bunny makers.
So, can you do yams and marshmallows in one and green beans in the other?
Yeah. They're so cute. So, cooks, don't forget, we're going to have an Easter tablescape coming up. We're going to be using our tablecloth. We're going to be having the pink dinnerware. We're going to be having our little truck here. And we have our little bunny train. Yeah.
Yeah. I've been trying to take my eyes off you.
Peter Cottontail's coming to town, everyone. If you like this video, please subscribe below and join the Amy Learns to Cook family. We love to have fun with cookware, kitchen gadgets, cooking, recipes, decor, and tablescaping. I love it all. Join me by hitting that subscribe button below and hitting the bell. Also, if you want to talk about any of this stuff, come along and come into my Facebook group, facebook.com/groups/Amy Learns to Cook. We talk about this kind of stuff all day long. Also on social media, I'm at Pinterest and Twitter at Amy Learns to Cook. And on Instagram, I'm at Cooking with Amy. So hold tight. The Easter Spring Tablescape is on the way.
I see a little DM trying to make some plans. Now come on, baby, later in the PM. Hope that you would understand. I think that if you get to know me, you see I'm way more than nice. I wanna hold you, let me feel you.